Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing 505 for magnetism, question 6 to 10, paper 1. Let's start. Question 6. Object X is on an electronic balance. Object Y is held above the object X as shown. It is held above X. The reading on the electronic balance increases when the Y is moved closer to X. Why does this happen? This is happening because there is a force which is causing the X to go downwards, which will in turn increase the reading on the balance. That is the only way with which the balance reading increases. ठीक है ना? अब हमने आइडेंटिफाई करने के कौन सी जो ऑप्शन है that says के the balance on the reading is increasing because there is a downward force on X. देख सकते हैं X and Y are both made of irons. That is not a conclusive answer. So X and Y are both metals, magnets. That could be an answer. Y is a magnet and X is made of iron. So both of them are gonna attract each other, which will in turn do what? It will do attraction, which will decrease the overall reading. Y is made of iron and X is made of magnet. So this would do the same. It will attract each other and in turn decrease the reading. So the only valid answer could be B, right? Because if X and Y are both magnets, possibly they could repel or attract each other, right? And if possibly they are repelling each other, then the reading on the scale becomes larger than 5.8. आगे देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन 7 a teacher wants to demagnetize a bar and tries three different methods. So they have given us three different methods by which the teacher tries to demagnetize the bar. Heat the bar magnet to a high temperature and let it cool. This could be the answer because the heating of the magnet to a high temperature and letting it cool can disrupt the alignment of the magnetic domain within the magnet. और जो इसको डीमैग्नेटाइज कर सकता है ये मेथड कॉमनली नोन एज इसको नोन एज थर्मल डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. अच्छा टू देख लेते हैं प्लेस द मैग्नेट ईस्ट टू वेस्ट एंड हैमर इट. दिस कुड आल्सो बी द आंसर बिकॉज hammering the magnet when it is placed from east to west, it can also disrupt the alignment of the magnetic domains and ये potentially इसको डीमैग्नेटाइज भी कर सकता है. while on the other hand part 3 जो है place the bar magnet inside a coil that has a direct current in it and it moves from coil slowly. So A and B is the right answer. C is not the right answer. C is wrong. ठीक है ना? Is the right answer. Question 8. A small plotting compass is placed near to a bar magnet as shown. Which diagram shows the direction in which the compass needle points? अच्छा फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये मैंने आपको एक दिखाया हुआ है. So this is north and this is south. And अगर आप इधर प्लेस करोगे एक कंपस को then what will happen is कि ये जा रहा है in this तो ये यहाँ ऐसे जा रहा होगा. ठीक है ना? in this direction. ठीक है ना? तो what will the answer look like? It would look like A. Because आपको मैंने एक चीज बताई हुई है कि जो कंपस जहाँ प्लेस्ड होता है ना where the compass is placed, it aligns itself with the magnetic fields in that specific area. ठीक है ना? Where the compass has been placed. तो अगर आप कंपस को इधर प्लेस करोगे and the magnetic lines are going like this, right? They're going like this. So where would the North Pole be? I mean, the directions show in the diagram. Where will the needle point? It will point here. अच्छा अगर आप यहाँ देखें you would see there is a similar thing going on. But it is south and then north. इधर यहाँ north है फिर south है. It is just opposite but the same diagram. अगर आप इधर देखें this will be north and this will be south. तो it is completely opposite to what there is in the diagram shown in the question. तो अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा एग्जामिन करो that would conclude the answer to A. Question 9 is a pretty easy answer. Bar magnet and various non-magnetic and magnetized Metal bars are placed in the different arrangement shown. In which arrangements do the bar repel? The bar will repel in, attract, see this is the answer बता देता हूँ आपको मैं. In north to north. It will of course be the answer. It is a very easy answer. ठीक है ना? आगे देखते हैं. Question 10. A student investigates a permanent magnet by suspending paper clips from the magnet as shown. Which statement is correct? Each paperclip has a south pole at the top, which is completely nonsense. It will have a north pole at the top because it has south pole here. North pole will be here. So this incorrect. So if the paper clips are made of soft iron, they become demagnetized when the permanent magnet is removed. Because अच्छा अगर कोई चीज है सॉफ्ट आयरन से बनी होगी ना it has a tendency of magnetizing and demagnetizing very quickly. So when it is removed from the permanent magnet, it will instantaneously demagnetize and lose its properties. ठीक है ना? So that is a pretty straightforward fact. While if the paper clips are made of steel, they become demagnetized very difficultly. The difficulty of making the demagnetize is very hard, and magnetizing it is very hard as well. ठीक है ना? Question D is totally nonsense as well. So the only question that the answer that makes sense is B. So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.